Hello everyone, it's Kids Coding and welcome back to another video, and today we are going to be doing some sets in Python. So a set is just a collection which is unordered and unindexed. So we won't really experience any indexing with the colons or finding specific parts of the set because they aren't indexed. And they are written with the curly brackets like this. So first we will create a set. This is the simple part of the set, and then the end of the video is like how to create a set and how to use it with the set constructor. But we'll get there towards the end. So first things first, let's go simple by making a set called this set. And then let's make the set with the curly brackets. And then let's do double quotation marks, big, and then put whatever you want in the set. You don't have to put strings. You can also put you can put numbers too and stuff like that. But I'm just gonna go with this for now. And then we need to make sure we print the set. And then now we need to save it. I'm gonna save it into here. Make sure you put this in all files and then sets.py. Okay. So now we need to do py, and then I believe sets.py. Okay, how about this? Let's go to my thing here. Let's go right there. Let's do that. And then let's do set. Oh, I forgot something. Oh, never mind, I did not. So as you see, it has printed the set. It has printed big fat monkey. Okay, so we can't do any indexing, like I said, because sets are unindexed. So we're going to straight to accessing items in the set. So it won't work when you access items to a set referring to an index, like I said, since they are unordered and unindexed. We can loop through a set using the for loop button along with the in keyword. So what I mean by this is that first we will keep the same set. So let's just keep the same set. Okay, and then from here, let's say let's just assign a variable to this set, and then let's print x. So we can assign a variable to the set and loop it, and that's what we are doing. So okay, so what went wrong is the colon. So make sure we put the colon and then try it, and then I believe what it will do is that it will list every single element in the set. Since they are unordered, we don't know which elements will come first and which elements will come last. It will kind of display each element in the set in a randomized order. Okay, so we can check if an element is present in the set by listing it and using the print format to check it. Okay, so we made our set again, and then let's print this. Let's ask, is monkey in this set? And then let's do that. Make sure you're putting the curvy parentheses. There is one part where there's an exception to that, and I'll explain that. Oh, I see why. That should probably fix it. I don't believe you need the curvy parentheses when you print it. And as you see, it says true. So it kind of acts like a Boolean in this case. So let's try this. It'll probably say false. And indeed it does. So those are the in and not in. I've explained them before in a previous video. I don't remember exactly when, but yeah. So let me just say, like before, that a lot of these things that we're doing in this video, we've done in the list and tuples. So if you want to check them out, they're on the top right hand corner of the video, so be sure to check them out. They're also in the end of the video of this video. So that pretty much concludes that. So when we make a set, we can't really change it, but we can add stuff, and there are two different methods we can use. One is for adding one thing, and then the other is for adding multiple things. We use the add method to add one thing, and then we use the update method to do multiple things. There's also another way you can use the update method, so I'll explain that at the end of the video. You can use it in two different ways. So big, I keep deleting my set. Make sure you don't I think I have a habit of just deleting my sets. It's just too kind of time consuming to. And then let's say dot add, and then let's say large. Since sets are unordered, we don't know when they will be pasted in. It'll be random, so we can't really control it like in the other two listen tuples. Okay, so let's save it. Fat, big, monkey, large. So yeah, it's gonna change its order due to the fact that sets are unordered. They're just not unordered, so they're just not ordered. So yeah, they'll keep on switching. So if you put it like, let's say here, like it'll just switch. The order will just switch. There is no permanent order. Okay, so to add multiple items, we can use the update. And this is that one exception where we don't use the curvy parentheses. First, we use this, and then we use the brackets. No, not like those. And then let's keep large, and then let's go with greedy. And then let's print it. So once again, update is for multiple stuff, and add is for just one thing. And as you see, it pastes the set, and it's in a randomized order because sets are unordered. We can remove the item two ways. We can use the remove or the discard method. They're both interchangeable, and they both do the same thing. Oh, I can't. And then let's say this set dot remove. Okay, and then let's save it. And as you see, it removes it, but the set changes. Whichever. The same thing works when we use discard. And it'll paste the same thing. So, we can remove the last item of the set using a pop method. This is only for the last item in the set. So let's make this set X. Sometimes we can keep this set as it is. In other times, we're going to have to assign a variable for what the set really is. So, let's end that in parentheses, and then let's print X, and then let's print the set. Okay, and then let's save it. And it deletes the last set. Let's try it again. And it just keeps on deleting the last set. Since they are, it won't, like the same element in the set, it won't keep on deleting. each different element in the set will be deleted because the way it just varies in sets. So now we can clear the set. So by clearing, we can what clear will do is that it'll just result in this. So let's just save it, and it shows that everything's taken off, and it will result in set. And then one thing I had a lot of confusion on is this next thing that we're doing, which is using the delete function, or not the function, but like the delete method. Because what delete does is that it will result in an error. Like, that's just how it is, because the set just no longer exists. So it will give an error because it's not defined, or it just doesn't exist. So now we can join two sets. We can use the union method, which returns a new set containing all items from both sets, or the update method that inserts all the items from one set into another. So this is the other way we can use the update method. We can use it two ways. One with joining two sets, and then the other with adding multiple elements into a set. So first we'll start with the union method, and I will change my two sets for now. So let's say set 1. Let's make them strings. And then let's make that 1, that 2, that 3. Okay, and then let's make set 3 equal the 2 added together. Or no, let's just make set 1 dot union, and then set 2. Oh, make sure we do the indent. Oh, I guess we're not supposed to do the indent then. And as you see, it'll give it, and the order will vary, I believe. No, it will. So with these, it will the numbers will vary, but for set 1, they won't, and it will just contain the same items, and they'll keep it in the same order. So last is the second way we can use the update method, and it inserts the items in set 2 into set 1. So let's try it. Into set 2, and then let's and as you see, it will give it, and they will keep the same way they do because that's the update. That's what the update does. It keeps them the same way they are. So in math, like the union, it combines a set, but we exclude duplicates, like we don't include them. Same thing works in Python, we exclude duplicates. So last and not least is the set constructor. This is the other way to make a set. So this set, and then this is also another exception. We don't use the curly parentheses. So we just use 2 regular parentheses. So let's make it big, fat, and then let's make that monkey. And then make sure we do the double parentheses, and then let's print this set, and then let's save it. And as you see, it will give the set. You'll be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new to be notified for every single video I make.